The machines in our world are getting bigger. Torques are increasing. Loading and lifting capacities are pushing the extreme. Our commitment is to keep the world's biggest machines in check, in controlled braking through intelligent brake systems. To make that commitment, you must have expertise, be competent and customer-oriented. You must know everything there is to know about the applications, the metals, the brake linings, and their behavior under all conditions. And this is us at Svendborg Brakes. This is how we make brake systems. We make the world a safer place. You only truly discover the price of safety when it fails. It is not enough to just look at the brake's price tag, because if the price is too low, it can cost you dearly. We have made our brakes and systems so they outlast almost anything. We still service brakes that are working perfectly after 20, 30 and 40 years. Our systems last longer and are simpler to service and maintain. This improves production flow and minimizes downtime. It makes our solutions more cost-efficient in the long run. We like to get close to our customers' world and face the challenges with you. Whether it is in southern Australia, a wind farm in the North Sea, the Peruvian highlands, or the swamps of Central Africa. We know what you will need over the next couple of years and are constantly developing our products to meet your demands. We test and test and test again. We have put the next generation heavy industry brake systems in our freezer and are testing them full scale, day and night, in extremely cold temperatures to analyze brake mechanics and monitor technical performance. So even today, we are ready for tomorrow, for the future of mining and wind farms in Antarctica or Inner Mongolia. We can handle any task in brake systems, no matter how extreme. We take on responsibility. Responsibility for your productivity and safety. Responsibility for the quality of our products. We take responsibility for the value chain we are part of. Responsibility for our own colleagues' health and safety, and for the global environment. When you think about it, the equation is actually pretty simple. One life, one Earth. Let's work together to take care together. Let's work together to make the world safer and greener.